Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going lovely. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I'm going to share a couple of projects for you. These are like bonus projects using the Spellbinders card kit of the month for March 2021. This month's kit is called Celebrate Spring. I already created 10 cards with this kit, but today's project is actually part of a blog hop that's happening. I'll leave a link down below. If you guys are a club kit subscriber to any of the Spellbinders club kits, I think you'll enjoy this blog hop. There is a giveaway that goes with it, and there's tons and tons of inspiration. So I am going to make two projects kind of going with our St. Patrick's Day theme. It's around the corner. Even though I don't celebrate St. Patrick's Day, I know there's a lot of people that do, and so we're going to make some 4-leaf clover cards. We're going to make two of them today. They're pretty easy. I'm using the stamp set and the dies that are in this month's kit. We're going to take the bunny. The bunny is actually holding a 4-leaf clover. We're going to stamp that with Memento ink. And bunnies are easy to color. I just used my C1 marker and added a little bit of shading to him. And then I did color in the clover that he's holding with a couple shades of green. Easy peasy. But there is a die that will cut out. The sentiment says good luck, which I'm restamping with my VersaFine Onyx Black ink. It's a darker ink versus my Memento ink. You can see here the color difference. It's just more crisp, and so I restamped my sentiment. I did do my little shading. Now I'm going to die cut out my sentiment, and then I do fussy cut out my little bunny here, just leaving a little bit of a white border around him. Now, once this is die cut and my bunny is fussy cut, we're going to take a look. You can see how cute they are. We're going to set these aside, and then we're going to work on some 4-leaf clovers. In the die set that came in the card kit of the month, there is a stem piece, and then there is a 4-leaf clover. We're going to die cut out 3 4-leaf clovers, and then the stem piece twice. There's 2 stems that are in that, so you would actually die cut out 4 in total, but we're just going to use 3 for our project. Now I used the green cardstock that also came in the kit this month. I'm going to go ahead and do a little shading with, I believe this is pistachio. It's a distress oxide ink, and then I'm going to bring in a little bit of a darker ink. This is Mowed Lawn, and just go around the edges of my clovers to give them a little bit of depth here. Now, at the very end of my clover, there is a little circle you could see, or the stems, you could see that there's a little circle. That's where you put your glue. So I just added dots of glue and then attached my clover to the stem. And we have some long 4-leaf clovers, which are so cute. I'm actually pretty lucky at finding 4-leaf clovers. It's very relaxing to me. Sometimes when the kids were playing outside, I would sit in the clover patch and just either make necklaces with the clover flowers for my kids, or I would just search for 4-leaf clover, and usually I would find one. But there's my clovers. I'm going to create a background panel using this die set. This is actually called the Elegant Twist Rectangles die set. It creates a really twisty, beautiful border. And I love the way this looks. Now I'm going to fill in the white area of my background with some of the pattern paper in the 6x6 paper pad that came in the card kit. Just the green plaid here. I trimmed it down so it would fit inside. We'll adhere that. And I already added fun foam behind my panel, so we have a little bit of dimension. We're going to place this on an A2 size card. Just making sure it's lined up center. The fun foam that I use has is adhesive backed, so one side of it has adhesive, the other side doesn't. So I usually add double-sided tape behind the non-adhesive back, and then I can just peel and stick wherever I want it. Makes it easy, and I have lots of fun foam, so that's why I use that today. Now I have a vellum circle. I did trim off the right side of my circle so we can butt it up against the edge of our pattern paper there, and then I arranged my little clovers, my sentiment, and my bunny on the inside of that vellum here. Now I did pop those up with foam adhesive. Now I flipped over my vellum circle, and I'm going to add foam adhesive behind the areas that I did on the front of my vellum. This just gives a little bit of dimension. Once I have adhesive added, we'll just remove the release paper and add this to the lower left corner of my card front. And then basically that is it for that card. Pretty simple and easy card. But but I love the greens with the bunnies. I think it's a nice springy card. Now for my second card, I have all the elements that we need. I took some of the gold cardstock in the kit, and I did use one of my border dies. This border die is from the Stacked Decorative Edges die set. I used this during my 10 card video. Love this set. Technically, you probably don't even have to die cut out a border because I cover most of it up. But I know it's there, and it is a pretty border, so I went ahead and continued with it. I have a 1-inch strip of that same green pattern paper. We're going to adhere it to the bottom of our gold border. There is some pattern paper overhanging. It's a 6-inch strip, but that's okay. We'll just use our scissors and trim it off. Now I'm adding this horizontally to my card front. We're going to make a horizontal card for our second card, and I am lifting up this piece about 1/4 inch from the bottom of my card base. We'll just trim off the excess, and then I have a few of the die cut clovers. I thought they were so pretty, and it looks like you colored them. That's how nice they are, and I thought they would look perfect for this card today. I'm going to add the large one, and then there is a medium one, but the medium one we're going to pop up. I'm going to take the large and the small one here, add adhesive behind it, kind of layering them together on the left side. And then I have, for my sentiment, I have the Friends die cut piece, and then I also have the Best. Now I added foam adhesive behind the Best and also behind the Friends, so they're popped up. I'm just going to add my Best right above my Friends sentiment. Once that's adhered, we're going to go ahead and add foam adhesive behind our medium-sized clover, and then this we're going to tuck under the word Friends. A little bit's going to be overhanging, but that's okay. We're going to trim that off. But I just think those clovers look so pretty with that plaid pattern paper. Now there is a green heart that coordinates with those clovers pretty nicely. I popped that up with foam adhesive and placed it above that clover we just added. I'm going to finish it off by using my Journey Glaze over that heart to give it a little bit of shine and dimension. And then that is my second card for today. 2 quick and easy cards using the card kit of the month called Celebrate Spring. If you guys are interested in the card kit or the unboxing or the 10 card video, I'll leave it at the end here. But please come on over to my blog or the Spellbinders blog and join us in the blog hop. There is tons of inspiration with all the kits, and I just know you guys will be inspired and possibly win some crafty goodness. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me. We will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.